Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's finally the day. Okay y'all, so today, oh my god, it's been a long time coming, but I'm finally getting my bed. It was supposed to be here little weeks ago, but like yeah, so the man, he called about like 20 minutes ago and he said he'll be here in 25 minutes, so he probably will be here like, you know, anytime now. But I just kind of like want to give you guys like a look real quick of how everything is looking in the room. So for starters, the door right now is still getting painted. Y'all, I've been procrastinating. It should have been done, but I bought new hinges, new black hinges. So once I'm done with that, I'll put the door up. But yeah, so you walk in, you see everything is pretty much, you know, the same as where I left it. Instead, like, I finally took out the paper, like all the plastic that was on the floor, y'all. I didn't even want to walk back and forth in here, so I had the plastic literally like right here. But anyways, this is everything. I kind of had to like scoot it all over to the side just because I don't know, like it's a king bed, y'all, so I think it'll stop here. I don't know, but I don't know. But yeah, so this here is the mattress. I wanted to go ahead and deflate and to fill out completely, y'all. It's so good. Like, the mattress is so good, y'all. It's so good. The other one I had, I don't remember. Oh, I got it from wherever I had my bedroom furniture from. It was like from a furniture store. I don't remember which one, but when I got that mattress, I was like, oh, this mattress is no. But this one, like, I wish I was on Amazon bad, like how I am now. Like, I wish I was on it back then, because stuff is so much more affordable and it feels so much better. Like, wait, hopefully I'm not too zoomed in. But anyways, yeah, so I got the mattress and it came with the mattress topper. Everything for my bed is pretty much, I think, aside for 2 items, I got it from Amazon. So if it's linkable, I'll link everything below. I got, what pillow is this? This pillow was from my other bed, like from the guest room. I just took it out, like, and it happens to be like the down feather pillow that you can do the chops with. The 3 large ones as well. I had them, like I said, I had all of these on my king bed, but it was like a different cover on there. I mean, my queen bed, but it was a different cover on there. And honestly, the pillows were low-key like sliding off because it was just, they're too big. So I feel like they're gonna fit this bed perfectly, so I'm excited about that. I got 2 new king size duvet inserts. I probably need to go ahead and take them out now, so that they can deflate. I got a sheet set. I got this from Home Goods. This is the Hotel Luxury 1500 third count 6-piece king sheet set in the king size. I don't really know too much about third count, but I was told the higher the third count, the softer the sheets. But either way, like, I just feel like everything will be super cozy. And then, what is this? Better. Oh, this is the actual duvet cover. Everything is pretty much white and kind of like creamy. I just bought this blanket and I went ahead and washed it the other day. It's super, like, feels so good. I got it from Walmart. These are the covers for the accent pillows, like for the smaller pillows. These are the white covers. They're like this velvety material, super soft. I went ahead and got 2 sets of king size pillows, so it's 2 in both. At first I just grabbed 1, but then I was in the checkout, y'all, and the line was so long, and I was sitting there for a minute, so obviously I was just sitting there thinking, and I was like, you know what, Home Goods is that store that it'll be there today and it'll literally be gone tomorrow. So I was like, let me go ahead and grab both. And luckily I did, because I think the sheet set come with 2 or 4 pillowcases. And Yeah, so I have 4. I'm gonna get a quilt eventually, and a quilt set usually comes with 2, so it'll just be 2 and 2, and then I'll have 2 more extra of the white to alternate, like when I wash. And they're like comfort, oh yeah, they're memory foam pillows, y'all. So they feel so good. I am about to be sleeping on heaven, okay? And then this is my TV mount. This is my light fixture right here. Is it my address? I kind of just got like a placeholder light fixture just because the one that I originally was going to get, I felt like it was going to do well with this other bed that I was going to get, but I just couldn't see myself buying that bed just because, no. And yeah, I just didn't think the light that I wanted with that would go with this. So I just got something that was just, you know, and hopefully I like it. But worst case, you know, it wasn't super expensive, so I could just, you know, kind of like thumb through websites and try to actually find me the light fixture that I really want. And then last thing under there is my box spring. I actually have to put that together, but I'm just like gonna wait until I put the bed up. So I've been seeing reviews of people saying that they usually when they come drop it off that they put it up for them. I don't know if they're gonna put it up for me. I mean, it'd be nice if they could, but I'm not like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, request that they take their shoes off because baby, this new carpet, and if that's the issue, I'm just gonna put it together myself. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. Just something soft and cozy. Yeah, everything just feels so good. It smells so good in here. Everything just so clean. I'm just so ready. It's like, you know, like when you're about to bring a newborn baby to the house and everything just needs to be bleached to perfection. Not to say that I don't clean, obviously I clean out, but okay, hold on, y'all. Let me get it together. You know what?
Yeah, that one.
As y'all can see, it's still in boxes, so no, I guess they didn't want to, you know, and honestly, I feel like, I don't know, because they was in and out, but that was nice, and I guess I need to get content anyway, y'all. So I'm about to make me a peanut butter jelly sandwich because I'm hungry. I need a little snack, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting stuff up. I want to do the bed just because I want the bed to be done, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and knock this light fixture out real quick. So I'll see y'all when I'm done eating my sandwich.
Framed an innocent woman for corruption. I'm trying to expose. The man is untouchable. All I really wants to tell the world the truth about.